Okay guys, we have got this really interesting video here. So I'm going to do this a bit differently, and I'm going to lay down the groundwork to this video because the original video is over 7 minutes long and I really don't want to show you all of the 7 minutes. We just want the last 2 minutes off the video where it's what we're looking for. So as you can see, there are a group of people and they're out in Chile and they've noticed this storm cloud. Now, what they're saying about the storm cloud is it looks very odd because the bottom half is all black, as you would expect in a storm cloud, but then the top half is illuminated or white. And as you can see in the storm cloud itself, or the footage that you're watching now, you can see the electricity inside this cloud. And they're also saying that they feel that there's something inside the cloud. And then towards the end, we catch this. So guys, we're going to look at this footage of what they caught towards the end, and then we'll have a talk about it afterwards.
No tienen... Oh. De allá arriba, ¿qué va? Un avión. Ah. ¿Es un avión?
Viene cayendo.
¿Es un avión? No.
¿Qué es esa weá?
Es un avión. No, sí, es un avión. ¿O no? ¿Qué es?
No sé, po.
No sé.
Ahí se fue, weón, viste que era un ovni. Mira, va para el otro lado ahora. Mira.
Sí, sí, estoy viendo. Oh, se me perdió.
Ahí va,
Ahí va. No, hermano, ese es un dron. Es un dron. Sí, es un dron. Lo pillé, es un dron. ¿Es un dron?
Yo sepa, no
¿O
tienen
no?
luz en los drones.
Sí, sí, hay luz.
Sí,
Hay
sí.
drones con...
De más, que ven,
Es un dron. Yo lo que aprecio sí...
no, anda correteado por los rayos.
Pero está extraño, porque se da unas vueltas medio locas. Medio cierto, hermano. Mira, ahí.
Roja.
Ahí tiene una luz roja y se detuvo.
Ojo.
Pero es un dron.
Ven para acá.
Acércate, ven. Acércate, ven.
Aquí está el pueblo.
Yo no sé, hermano, ese es un dron, no es un objeto volador no identificado. Ahora, si este bicho que está aquí enfrente se va, pero así, de una, ahí quedó loco. Se me perdió. ¿Dónde está? No sé si está. Ahí está. Está enfrente de nosotros. Qué extraño. La nube de atrás, donde salen rayos en una sola parte, y ahora este dron. Hermano, bajen. Queremos compartir con ustedes. Bueno, acá. Está saludando. Está saludando. Yo ando con un láser, hermano. Voy a buscar mi láser. No se vaya. No se vaya. Oh. Gracias por la visita.
Ya está, güey.
Se fue, Randy. Se perdió entre medio. Y sigue para allá. Sí. Lo perdí.
So guys, that was pretty wild. Now, as you can see, this object came from the far end of that same storm cloud that they were saying something was in there. Now, when you look at it, first of all, you could say, oh, this is ball lightning. But if you notice, this object is changing directions, it's stopping, it's zigzagging, it's just moving all over the place. Now, you hear them questioning. They're not saying, is it a drone? They are questioning, could this be a drone? But they're also saying, well, this thing's inside the cloud, the storm cloud. So what the hell is a drone doing in a storm cloud? Me, and this is just my opinion. Now, I do buy into the concept of electromagnetic energy powering extraterrestrial ships, or maybe even terrestrial ships, because as we know, the government has got a hold of a lot of Nikola Tesla's work, and he did talk about powering crafts with electromagnetic energy. So what could this be? Do you guys know? Because I don't. So as always, this footage is down to you to decide. So make of it what you will, and until next time, stay blessed and keep safe.